your boy Ree. But first, pour this out. And no, I ain't sponsored on that, but I got to have it. Like I say, don't y'all dare judge me. I put my work in for the week. Anyway, I'm gonna help y'all with some nutritional shit. Like y'all beginners who maybe trying to get into shape, who just trying to learn how to count calories and macros and don't really know how to read the labels. I'm gonna just give y'all some brief examples real quick that'll help y'all a lot. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. You know, maybe you might learn something, maybe you don't. All right, example. Average bottle of 20-ounce Coca-Cola, 240 calories. The average person might drink 2 20-ounce bottles of Coca-Cola in a day. That's 480 calories. With 480 calories, you can eat a whole 12-ounce chicken breast, 12 ounces of ground beef, an 8-ounce meal with rice and veggies, and still won't equal that. Okay, so just think, you gonna get more full off the soda or the food? All right, now to break that down a little bit more, when people go in the store, they see shit like this, 15 calories. The average person say, 15 calories. They think the whole fucking jug, they can drink the whole fucking jug and it's 15 calories. No, it's not, but it's a better option. See, the thing about this shit here is it's appealing to the eye because that big ass 15, but if you look down a little more, you're gonna see the fucking, focus baby. They ain't focus, they focus on my face. Anyway, the shit say 15 per serving. Once you see the serving size, you gotta learn that it say 15 calories, which is true, but for the serving size, which is 8 fluid ounces, which is like this fucking much, which ain't a lot. But it's the better choice than the soda. So with that being said, if you drink a 20-ounce soda, and you want to drink 20 ounces of this, 20-ounce soda, 240 calories, 20 ounces of this. 8 fluid ounces is 15 calories, 2 grams of sugar. Do 20 of this, 15, 30, 37 calories. Way better choice than the fucking soda. You know what I'm saying? You gotta look at the serving size. Don't look at this shit here. Look at it, turn it, start reading these fucking labels. You know what I'm saying? Or, like, what I'm saying is, if you got a bag of chips and it say 100 calorie Chips Ahoy, the 100 calorie version, you gonna think I can eat this whole bag of Chips Ahoy and it's 100 calories. No, you gotta read the label. It might be 100 calories per cookie, 100 calories per 2 cookies, but it's 16 cookies in the fucking bag. So you got to learn how to read these fucking labels. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. But far as the liquid go, the diets, the Coke Zeros is always gonna be the better choice. The Powerades gonna be your better choice. Or you can just drink water, which carry no calories. I'm finna roll a couple clips for y'all. If you find it informative, educational, if it helps you out some kind of way, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see anything and hear me talk about anything, like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I need some fucking more followers, man. So y'all holler at me and check out these clips. All right, let me teach y'all how to read fucking macros and read labels. All right, this Simply Orange with raspberry says 110 calories. Most people think the whole bottle mean 110, but they talking about per serving. So it's 11 servings in this bottle. It's gonna equal up to, well, like 1,210 calories, 1,200 calories, something like that. So that's what you're getting for every 8-ounce cup. 8 ounces of fucking juice ain't a lot. So you're getting 110 calories in every 8-ounce cup, not the fucking whole bottle. So, but I'm gonna grab that anyway. Nope, I ain't gonna grab that. Too many calories. I'm gonna grab this though. Nah. What, 15? All right. Grab that 15. You know. And for the fucking fruit, man. Grab that. All right, this lemonade shit say just 15 calories. Every person gonna think the whole carton is 15 calories. But once again, it's one serving, which is 8 fluid ounces. You're getting that in an 8 ounce. If you pour an 8-ounce cup, that's only 15 calories. Once you go over that, you gotta, you know, if you pour in a 16-ounce cup, that's 30 calories, 8 carbs, 4 grams of sugar. You know, and you add on to every 8 ounce you put on there. Just because it say 15 calories don't mean 15 for the whole bottle, once again. Alright, I always get the leanest beef when I do get it, so I get 96.4. I don't do the 99.1. I don't even know if they make a 99.1, but I get 96.4. It's like the perfect mix for me. I don't like a lot of extra fat. This shit is 150 calories every serving, which is 4 ounces. There's 4 servings per pack. So 4 ounces, if I weigh it out and make it 4 ounces, I'm getting 150 calories, 24 grams of protein. If I double that, I'm getting 300 calories, 48 grams of protein, so on and so forth. So just because you see that 150 back there, don't think the whole pack is 150. Y'all get where I'm going with this? Okay, now this the one that get everybody when I tell them. Everybody think the Gatorade is so fucking healthy. It got some good shit in it, but the Gatorade, the whole container of this is 220 calories, 57 grams of carbs, that's a lot. 55 grams of sugar, that's a hell of a lot. Let's look at this soda. Okay, you got this Coke, the regular Coke now. The whole bottle, 200 grams, 55 grams carbs, 55 grams of sugar. 55 grams of sugar, 55 grams of sugar, same shit. They gonna tell you this one more healthy, this one fucked up for you. I mean, look about the same to me, don't get me wrong. It ain't got all the acid and all that other bullshit in it. And they got potassium and whatnot, but same shit. So can't overindulge on this Gatorade. Can't overindulge on this, 200 calories. That's a whole fucking chicken breast. So, I mean, you do the math. Oh yeah, but if you is gonna go the Gatorade way, try the Gatorade Zero. Yeah, they pretty much, you know, the best way to go. 0 calories, way better macros, not a lot of sugar. I don't think it got no sugar in it actually. So go get the Gatorade Zero. I know you might not like the taste, but if you're trying to lose weight, fuck the taste. You know what I'm saying? None of this healthy shit really tastes good, to be all the way honest with you. You know what I'm saying? Just getting y'all my little advice if you want it.